Here we are going to see how to enter the settings mode and how to change the range value. This type of iTrans 2 sensor we have 0 to 500 ppm range. So if 0 to 500 ppm range means if I apply 50 ppm gas, then it will show here 50, but in the panel it will show 5 ppm only, because panel may be set for 100 ppm maximum range. So here we need to change range for 100 ppm. So first we need to go enter the menu mode. So for the menu mode, first we need to press mode, then it will ask password. So password is mode up down again up and enter. So now it is showing select channel, now channel 1. So I need to press enter, then wait 3-4 seconds, then it is automatically going to the settings. So now it is KL, and then we need to select here one by one. This is all the code, that one we have available in the manual. So we need to check according what is this number. So this is pan calibration mode 0, and for the range it is 4. This code number 4 is the range. So now here it is 500. So I need to change this one to 100. So again I press enter and then press down, then it start to decrease. So now the range is 100. So again need to press enter, then after 10 seconds it will back to normal mode. That is for changing the range of iTrans 2 sensor. See, now back to normal mode. That's it for the